We'll walk this log down here and see what's down here in this nook of the creek. Right away, that guy looks, boy, he's pretty. That's real pretty. It almost looks like a Herkimer diamond or diamond itself. It's almost that clear. There's another one. Really clear. Here's a nice one. How clear that is. And it has a very opaque look to it. Really opaque look. What are you crying for, Smokey? Huh? Smokey's nosy. There's a nice white piece. Look how white that is. I might just leave him in the creek right there and let him clean up a little bit. Look how white that is. I'm sure I will find a nice piece of smoky quartz, as always, down here. And the reason I say that is because I live in the upstate of South Carolina. And in South Carolina, in the upstate specifically, there are a lot of quartz, a lot of smoky quartz. There is amethyst that is found. And smoky quartz and amethyst are very closely related. So you see that often. Look at this nice little sandy beach where you can find some really cool finds. It's a nice clear piece of crystal. So, see what else I see along this creek. There's something that stands out. Boy, that's pretty. See that smoky and clear in there? It's beautiful. This is a nice little section. Need to get that brick out of there. See how the water eroded that away from a few weeks ago when it got up that high. It embedded a lot of these deposits. A lot of nice looking quartz. It has an opalescence to it. You see that? Shiny. Pretty cool. Good for crafting. Things like that. Here's a pretty milky looking guy. Maybe some chert, calcite, something of that matter. But I'm looking for a nice piece of smoky quartz, which I find quite often. Some pretty deposits right there. Nice little deep creek. Now, just so you know, if you find gold in a creek, a lot of times it's in an area like that. It gets caught because it's heavy. You know, it pushes with the water, and it will push and kind of embed in that little area and everything. All the light, all the stuff that's, you know, heavy, the lighter stuff will push through and follow the creek, but the heavy stuff will get caught right there. So you see that happening. I don't really dig for gold. It's not something that I care for. I just like looking at rocks. So yes, I'm weird like that. Here we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. It's exactly what I'm looking for. I love that. One day I'll show you what I do with them.